Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, welcome and feel free to subscribe because that is the way to go. Hey, good morning, happy Sunday, happy Saturday, happy Sunday, happy Monday. It depends with the place or it depends with the time or the date that you'll be watching this video. And today it's another episode over here. We are really happy to be back home, and it's the mission of staying in the village. You know that? So this day today, I'm very much happy, and I give much thanks to Almighty God. And of course, thank you so much for 24,000 subscribers. I really cherish you. May Almighty God bless you. And for the returning subscribers, be blessed all. And for the viewers, may you all be blessed. So today is another beautiful day. It's early morning over here, and it's to Almighty God for the great day. And this is our beautiful dog, Soothe. Hi, Soothe. Hi. Good morning. Bring your leg. Say good morning. Good morning, Soothe. Say hi. Hi, Soothe. Hi. Beautiful dog, Soothe. And don't. No, 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 no. No, it has been raining, guys, and I give much thanks to Almighty God because it has been a little bit dry. But today rain has been raining. So yesterday night we received some beautiful, amazing blessings of rain, and it really done its magic. It really done its magic. That's why today it's just that way. You see, very very nice. And also this place that we really plowed, we are going to put here some of our vegetables. You see some part of the vegetables, and it really looks very nice and great. Look, that is it. And of course that you see how greenery this village is. Of course should from one of the villages here in Kenya, to be specific, is Bania Nyabuhanse village, one of the greatest village ever, with a lot of stuffs up and down, you know. So feel free to also visit this village some days, and you really enjoy your what you call like your staycation over here. You really enjoy the organic stuffs, like enjoy some fruits, enjoy some maize and everything. And this is how everything is. So you see, when it rained, it really done what you call like again removed all the dry leaves from up here, from up this tree downwards. So this is it. And of course we always cover our trees, our chair, so that when it rains it doesn't rain on, you know. And that's our beautiful home, our beautiful bullet, as you see it over there. And the other side is grandma, the other side is my parents' house. And yeah, that is it. You know, the comment section, what do you think about this video? We are going to prepare some of the food, or just do some general work in that bulletproof house over there with my wife, because today the house help, it's on a weekend, and she just said no, today I have just to be with my family, and she just went. So today I'll be the king in the kitchen, you know. So that's so there. So today I'll be the king in the kitchen, and yeah, so let's go there and see what's happening. And also keep on watching this video to the end, also with my with a comment down below about what you think about this video. All right, so in a nutshell, this is what, and that's it. Enjoy the view. So from the kitchen, we will really do what we call like come do some general cleaning also of the home. Then we want to see what's happening, you know. So keep watching to the end, and then we want to see what's happening around here. All right, nice dog. Yo, hi. Wine. Okay, right, let's go in and I show you how dirty your kitchen is today. Yes, so guys, this is how you see. Hey, our kitchen is really dirty, and I'm here with my sister. Hey, good morning.
Yeah, morning to our people. Morning, afternoon, evening. It's a nice chilling morning, nice chilling Sunday, a blessed Sunday. Yeah, I'm from church and here helping my brother and my sister-in-law to do this and that, some cleanliness. You know, it's in the morning, so we must do the cause of the house.
Morning routine. It's a morning routine, guys. You know, over here. And today our what we call like our house manager, she's not around, so we have to do this on our own around here with my sister and also with my wife. And then we see what's happening. So I was to wash the utensils, but my sister's already you see, she has already grabbed them, and this is what you see. So with me, tea, and then we wanna see what's happening on this other end. All right. Kurabitan. Hi. So, and hey, come on.
What?
Say hi.
Hi guys.
Good morning.
Guten Morgen.
Thank you. Good.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. To our YouTube channel, guys. CJ YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe. It's me now here. Also check me out. Today we're just about to do just normal cleaning because it's not thorough. Because we have a house manager who is off today. So we when she's off today, we are lazy.
We call it a lazy day.
So we start struggling as me, my sister-in-law, and CJ to do some cleaning. And we have a few guests. We have a guest around and set them off. So join us today and let's work together.
All right. So this is our kitchen, guys, and yeah, as I told you the other day, I was really struggling. You know, it's like coming in a new house. So we were just trying to figure out what we want, which kind of food we want, what we want to fix. So arranging this all stuffs in here with my wife. It was a lot of hectic journey.
We
had to clean. It was dusty. I don't know, and I closed the windows. So I think it was peeping from this side, the what we call like dust. Yeah, in a nutshell. Also, we prepared githeri. Let me tell you one thing. Yesterday night, we ate githeri. Yeah, it's githeri. Githeri is a mix of maize and beans. As you know, in Mombasa, this used to be my favorite. So when I came here, I found a very organic one from the land, and I was like, man, it's a good way to go. You know.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's warm it. Yeah, we warm it
up.
And then we also warm that's milk. Then we prepare tea, and then you wanna dance and then you finish kokoti, kokoti, something like that. All right. Okay, guys, what's the process of this? What causes this to rise? What causes milk to rise in the sufuria, and what does it make it to go down? Because some people usually tell me, if you take what you call like a cooking stick like this, and then you put it across just like this. Let me see if it will be good. If you put across like that, just a cooking stick like that, the tea will not split over this the saucepan. So I've just been trying this, but mostly it's just overflow to the brim, and it goes up to the cooker. So the most funniest thing is I've put this. Let me see if it will really work. You know, let me know. And my sister has been cleaning, so the kitchen looks clean, and that's it. So people today will be eating githeri for breakfast with tea, milk tea actually. So the most funniest thing is that they always say when you put a cooking stick across the saucepan, the tea will not split. It's just boil across. So you see like this, just some small inches for it to go down. So I recommend you to just go try it at your place, you see, or try it there, and then you tell me if it really works. Because with me, sometimes when I put it just like this, sometimes it goes down. So babe, like, have you ever tried this trick?
No, because I know if for some reason if I put more, it will go down.
It will go down, right?
Yeah.
So the best thing is to reduce the fire, and then put that across.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Reduce the heat then.
Put that across so the tea
But
can boil
I've
well.
never done it, so that's now your thing.
It's a trick. I usually say that, oh, you know, when you're cooking tea or milk, just try to put that cooking stick across the sufre or the saucepan.
Okay.
And the tea will not spill down. So
it won't spill, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It won't spill down. But let me know in the comment section, guys. Have you ever tried this trick? You know, this. So you see, it's almost 2 minutes, but it's just like that. Is it a myth and misconceptions, or just a trick? You know, village life. Actually, when you're in the village, you learn a lot. So from here, you just view outside. Oh, there's a very nice view. Wow, from outside the grass. And then this is what you see. So let's wait. Prepare tea. It's almost ready. I want to go outside to just go do what we call like cleaning again, because the leaves just fall down like crazy. Yesterday it was raining dogs and cats. So all right, see you outside. All right, okay. So guys, I just have the breakfast, and this is what you see for my family, and that's how you see it. All right. Yeah, so from here I'm going to do what we call like also wash these utensils and do cleaning. My young brother Manu is doing some cleaning outside, so we just distributed work equally. So I was in the kitchen because I love kitchen, and then my young brother Manu was like sweeping the compound, in which is so big I'll just go help him. And literally my sister, she's doing some utensils washing, so she's washing over here. And then my young brother Manu is sweeping, and my wife, she's doing eating, you know. So people have really enjoyed the breakfast, and now it was time the compound. But my young brother improvised this kind of brooms, so he was just using this to sweep, because the other day he saw me bending. Hey, introduce yourself, young man, before you leave.
What's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depends wherever you are from. Welcome back to Claude's Safe YouTube channel. If you're new, subscribe there, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Claude, and it's early morning here. I have already swept the compound. Now I want to go to Nyabuhansi, take some stuff, then I'll come back.
Okay. This is my young brother Manu. We want to rush to Nyabuhansi, and actually even the sky, the clouds are telling you that they want to rain, and it's early morning. Very, very, very early in the morning, but the skies are 10. I want to fall, so we're waiting for it to fall. But before it falls again, maybe when it falls, before I finish this video, I'll be able to show you how it's falling. And on this other side, clean our compound is right now. Yeah, so I'll just show you at 360 of how everything is, and our dog is not leaving us easy, okay? All right, yeah, he's just riding slowly, typical village life. And also I'm looking for some seedlings. I'll be planting them on this side for best veggies and other part of the grass, you know. So I'll be showing you where we wanted to plant our beautiful veggies. So this side, because that's on the front side, on this other end, this side is the best because it's hidden. This side it's hidden where chicken don't rush over. So this place is the best, and it's also more fertile all the way to the other side, so that we can plant more of veggies. Absolutely, there are a lot of fruits. Kids have already started eating our pomegranates around here. And yeah, also our dustbin. So we'll just come and also hire some people, or I'll just dig it down slowly by slowly. You see, yesterday when the rain was raining, it came with a lot of water and some stuffs to put them there. So yeah, and also birds are eating fruits from up there. Hey, like not right now when we done what we call like when it has rained that way, this place is very going up the tree. You can't imagine how slippery it is up there. Right, guys, so I'll show you also my wife, her regards, what she have been doing, and we'll be ending our video. But before that, ensure subscribe, you like, you share, and there's a lot of great activities around here in the village, you know. Yes. So guys, actually yesterday was to finish the video, but unfortunately it rained dogs and cats, and my phone was almost 10%. Then after that, after I'm doing just a video for a couple of minutes, it went off and there was no power. We have been experiencing power blackout for 2 days since Saturday. It came on Sunday night, and it was just almost midnight, and you cannot wake up and finish the video at the midnight. I was like, oh okay, so I just come and finish it. So yeah, this is what we have been. A fine day, also fine Monday, as you see, rain, greenery, a lot of drain. So these are the water that have been around here. And also I love that I planted this tree. It's called bee tree. This is what you see it. It was very young, and now it's growing big and bigger at the gate over here. I don't know if I planted it in a bad position, but still the gate is so big. You know, some days we're planning, we just sit down as a family and we put a wall and a very big gate here. Some days God will. Then you can just come have, because nowadays we have a lot of gates. You can pass from this side, this which is the main gate. You can pass from the other side, a lot of panya routes. So because around, I would just like to just do some sweeping, doing some around here, as we see what's happening. Okay. So the same leaves that my brother improvised for me not to bend much, I'm going to use them to sweep this kind of a compound around here. Clean things. CJ loves clean things because cleanness is near to godliness. All right. So let's start sweeping right now. At least this one, you're not bending much. At least this one I'm not bending much. That's the other one. So my young brother Manu improvised this.
And it's sweeping so nicely.
Oh wow. That behind the camera is somebody somewhere. I'll show you her surprise.
Today I'm just the camera lady.
Camera woman.
From here, babe.
Hey, you know you're controlling.
I'm just giving you, showing you it's not clean. I'm not controlling. I was just showing.
This broom is like that one for Anatoly.
Anatoly? Anatoly, no?
There are those people who are slim but they can lift weight.
Very
heavy.
Okay, it's heavy down here.
It's very heavy. So if I give even to lift it this way, Anatoly uses 32 kgs to sweep or to mop in the gym. So you might see him lifting this way, you think it's just easy. When you lift it, so it's the same as this one. Yeah, it's heavy.
And it wants to rain, guys. Yesterday we didn't finish this video. Now because it rained cats and dogs. Now again it wants to rain, and it's early morning, guys. So, and baby, we were supposed to plant some vegetables.
Yeah.
And
you're waiting for there's somebody who like I've sent him some vegetables. So we have to put them into a nursery again. They germinate and then.
No, me, I think this time I'm going to plant them like that. Nursery is taking time. I'm just going to plant them into places because nursery.
Even seedlings, they're seeds.
Yeah, I'll put seeds, two seeds in each hole. No, that's unparliamentary. In each.
That's not YouTube pattern.
Two seeds in each hole. No, that's. So they want to kiss me. Mwah, mwah. But you are full of fleas.
You need to wash it.
Even washing it won't help it unless we get. Stop, Sude. Kindly give me space. You're just on my face. He has a lot of these things and we need to wash it. We say we need to wash it and we never do it. I think we'll find time. And him, even you can't even put water on him. He runs away. Hey, he's afraid of water.
Makes a lot of noise.
And he bites your hands. So I don't know even how to do it. Dogs.
Let us know in America how you sweep.
And how you wash your dogs.
Yeah, in America, or in most of developed countries, they don't sweep this way. Eh? They just put something, fix the what's called like the dry leaves.
They have robots?
Like, it sucks them like something like that. So maybe here in the village, the moment you do that, you see villagers coming to just witness. Hey, what's that making a lot of noise? You know? Stand up, stand up. Well, champion, you are champion. Stand up, stand up, stand up. You are champion, champion. Stand up, stand up, stand up. You know, they might be saying, why don't you sweep once? You think you have to sweep every
Even twice a day.
single day in the morning. You have to sweep it. It's just a, how can I say it? It's just normal every single day. You
Like,
have to sweep it in the morning. In the evening, start dropping the leaves. At night, you know the tree just now uses. You start competing with the tree to have oxygen. So it takes in oxygen, and then it falls. The trees fall. The dry leaves falls down.
And also, like, it's a routine. When you wake up in the morning and you don't sweep, you feel so awkward.
It's a routine. I thought maybe you are coming with a spade, with a wheelbarrow.
No,
You came with the camera.
I got with the camera.
Oh my god. Anyway, that's fine. There's a lot of things to wait from this side also. Now this is a local outdoor pit
Latrine.
So you have to do some cleaning. Easy.
Easy.
Just like that. Slowly. A lot of them. Right?
Dry leaves. It wants to rain, my people. You see the skies are grey.
It's raining on the other side.
It's actually raining on TZ.
Let me come with the wheelbarrow. I pick this first.
Okay.
Then we go to another place, okay?
Okay, sir. Can you peep on Maria kindly? She is? Oh. So guys, he said let him go pick her. I wanted to go get her, but he was like, let me go get Maria for you. So guys, I love this weather, but then it gets so cold, like you can't do anything. It's not about the cold per se, like it gets, when it rains, you can't even go outside and do any video. Like yesterday, it was just crazy. Yeah, the weather was so chilly, people are not there, like it's very hard to do your videos, and especially when you have no transport. You know, you have to call. CJ left his bike in Mombasa. We are looking on a way of transporting it here. So when you don't have a means of transport here, it becomes a bit tricky. But we'll get the bike soon. Yeah. So, guys, this is what we're up to today. And we want to make tea today. We want to make chapati. We want to make chapati with fell. That's fell. Let me show you. That's fell. They are cleaning. CJ's sister. She's here cleaning.
When we will start You know what I mean? As a boss, you see me running with this as a boy boss. Alright, guys. Everything done on the other side, so we are heading to the Jan Moon or Java fruit place to go and sit there. Yeah, and also the birds. Listen. Those are the big human birds. Okay. Uh-huh. You know, yesterday everything went off. Our gas got finished. I have to rush now to, and so we're going to use what we call like firewood to prepare tea. So I want to rush to the. This is the second day. I want to rush to what you call like to the shop, go bring breakfast, to buy bread and other stuff. So now I want to see what's happening. Yesterday, my young brother also man Claude, we call Popo Passion. This one, it's Popo, but inside it has passion seeds. So we ate the passion seeds and we left this because it looks like a Popo. You see, it's real Popo, but it's passion inside. Very big. Let me know, do you have this kind of fruits back in your places? Popo passion. And it smells so nice. So let me rush down here and then wanna see what's happening. Okay, all right guys, I want to show you our village shop. We're going for a village shop right now. Okay, oh, I went to the village shop. Now it's time also to sweep this other side, from starting from here, sweep all this other end where the fruits are falling down like crazy. A lot of fruits due to heavy rains that are making them fall down. You see, like here I can just jump and have some of the fruits just like that. So when they are too much ripe, they fall when they are hit by heavy rain. Very organic. Delicious. So I want to sweep here and then show you what's happening. Very big zambarao, but now the moment they fall down, already bacteria are in, so the moment you eat it even get cholera. So let me sweep the other side. So it was almost raining, but I don't know what it went again, it decided not to rain. You know, sometimes it can rain and then it decides not to rain. Something like that. So let's go sweep. Okay. Oh my god, look from just there how clean it is. And the funny thing is, the moment you sweep, they also fall, you know, but it's kind of clean. I appreciate that. Also, the fruits themselves are from there all the way, so the compound looks clean. So one just come and pick this from this side and then go do what you call like throw them inside there in the bush. They also act as manure. You know, the moment you leave them here, they'll just bring a lot of flies, and when there's a lot of flies in the compound, there will be a lot of germs. They can run from this point to another point, and then when there's some germs, they cause pathogens causing disease. So look at my shoe, it's already full of look, it's not supposed to remove them there, so I have to remove them from just down here. Hey, it's crazy. Is this symbiosis or what we call like is it symbiosis, where there's a benefit mutual, you know, there's a mutual between two things. This tree benefits from another tree and another tree benefits from another tree. Symbiosis whereby one thing is benefiting from another and another one is benefiting from another. For example, like us, let's say goat or cow, whereby we call them mutual benefit, yeah, whereby the cow or a goat gives us milk and meat, and for us we give it food. So same way to this tree, this another tree, it's called water plant, that just fall inside another tree, so it's growing on another tree. So different two species of tree growing together with no what we call like scientific, maybe what we call like grafting. No scientific grafting, it's just the way it is naturally. So this kind of shoes, that's why I love to have my gumboots always when I'm in the village, to be on gumboots, because when it rains just like this, it's crazy. There's some people who don't like mud. Living at the comment section, there are those people who completely don't like mud. When they step on mud, they feel like they're stepping on something crazy. So yeah, let me just pick everything around, and the compound looks clean, and that will be better. Okay, like that. So I've just swept this other end, so I have just to push this wheelbarrow downwards, and then from here wanna see what's happening. There are a lot of birds chirping up and down, making a lot of noise, but that's how it is. It's part of life. Improvised this. I want to use it to harvest these fruits because they're kind of near. So just to step here, hopefully it won't fall. Oh my god, careful, careful. Just like that, and then I raise my near the fruit tree. There's some fruits here now. Oh. I'm now the tallest guy ever, so this is a reward of sweeping this side. Some free fruits, and very very big. So once which are out of reach, I can't go there. Come show them. Very big fruits and very ripe one. So this is a typical village life that I recommend you all to come and have it. Okay. Cool. I think I'm full now. Thank you, Mr. Tree. Okay, thank you, Mr. Fruits. Here there are a lot. Jan Moon. Sweeping again. I've been handed over the axe, and I don't think this axe is okay, but I'll just try with it to split this kind of firewood. So it's a lot of work in the village, and this is True Boy's motorbike. He's around just doing his stuffs around. Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm measuring, I'm balancing. They are preparing what you call like beans, so it's a bit. Just like that. Despite the axe being bad, you need to be experienced for you to split this kind of axe. You know? Let's get another great experience for you to split firewood in the village. It's also a form of exercise. And also better for expeditions. You know? Nice. Beautiful. Amazing. Village life. Typical one. Very good. Amazing. Mm. Very great. So a lot of less energy. And then you become Samson with the lion. You become like, ooh, something like that. Put an X. So you cut them. You want them big like this. And then they'll be better. Twice. Nice. Great. Beautiful. I'm done now, guys, with everything. Now it's also this another work well done. So it's better for them to cook what we call like beans. Then it's better. So I'm done with this kind of work. So we're waiting to see what's happening. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. See, there's a lot that I'll be showing you around here. So it was just typical village life in Africa, to be specific in Kenya, Africa. Very beautiful and great. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this kind of work. You know, I know in maybe in developed countries you always have some trunks like this, or they call stumps or trunks. So when you cut or split the firewood, you make like this, and then you use machines maybe to split them. But with us over here like this, we use axe to just use them to split this kind of firewood, so that without minus this in the village you can't eat. Most of place like this, when it's raining right now, if you don't have some spare firewood in the kitchen, come with me, I'll show you where we spare firewood when it's in rain season. So a time like now, you see, we spare our firewood over here. This is where we have some firewood for spare. When it's dry season, we cut a lot of what we call like firewood. We put them here, we store them for just in case when it's raining season like now. You now start pulling one, you mix with other firewood that are being what we are rained on, and everything goes on. And this is how we always do. Let me bring more firewood that I've been using them. All right, so like these ones, I can carry some of them just to go demonstrate for you. I know that those who are missing village life. So our typical village life is just like this. And this is our background, man. We don't mind. You know, smoke is our perfume in the village. So we always have perfume that shows you that, hey, you are in the kitchen. So smoke is our aroma, you know. Whenever you go outside and you are in the kitchen, everybody says that you are in the kitchen. Everybody says, ah, this guy was in the kitchen. He's a kitchen guy. So this is what have raised us over here until you see CJ. So you can also improvise, use this, and then you sit on a 3-legged or a 4-legged, and then you do this way. This one is now the one that a chimney that brings in you know, air. Just like that, you're already done. So thank you so much, guys. This is our typical village life, not in US, not in America, not in Europe, but just in typical African life here in Kenya, Africa. The smoke, as I told you, it's our best beautiful deodorant or aroma over here in the village. So I want to check out also the goats, and then we want to see. So same place. This is where we is the kitchen, is the stove, is the house for animals, more so goats. So yeah, like this we have a lot of goats. Come on, man, easy. No, Sude, I don't want you around because you always scare the goats. You know, Sude always scare the goats, and I don't like that when it scares the goats. Sude, I'll beat you, Sude. Sude is our male dog over here. It always loves to fight with this he goat. Sude, nitakuchapa Sude. So yeah. Sude.
Let's try.
Just wait. Then we come on this other side also. Oh man, I forgot to carry the other peg. So I just come to check this. Sude. So just they love to disturb. You know that goat is just pregnant, and so this is just disturbing. Oh, they're fighting. Okay. I wanna tie this over here, and if you enjoy eating, see what's that. So guys, we are going to end our video here, and I say thank you so much, and I really appreciate your love and support. So this is our typical village life over here. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. So just hanging out with the goats and typical village life over here in Africa. Be blessed all, and should subscribe. Go to 30,000 subscribers, and of course we are all here. If you want to know more about this village life, comment down below, and of course reach me out on Instagram at Claude Joseph official. I really appreciate it. And also down below at the description point about the about you'll be able to see there my WhatsApp and everything, in case you want to support this channel via PayPal, via MoneyGram, Western Union, Remitly. I really appreciate it, and the number and everything is down below at the description point. Be blessed all, and feel free to reach out and subscribe. Bye guys.